Hello students, so today we will be doing the question and answer of the chapter The Earth in the Solar System, class 6, book Geography. Answer briefly. Question number 1. What is a light year? Answer. A light year is the distance that light travels in 1 year. The universe is approximately 93 billion light years in diameter. Question number 2. Who gave the heliocentric theory of the solar system? Answer. Nicolaus Copernicus gave the heliocentric theory of the solar system. Question number 3. Define planet. Answer. Planets are celestial bodies which do not have light and heat of their own. They reflect the sun's light to shine in the darkness of the space. Question number 4. What is the Earth's natural satellite? Answer. The moon is the Earth's natural satellite. Question number 5. Name the different phase of the moon. Answer. Waxing and waning are the name of different phases of moon. Answer the following questions briefly. Question number 1. What is a celestial body? Answer. Celestial bodies or heavenly bodies are objects in space such as the sun, moon, planets and stars. They form a part of the vast universe we live in and are usually very far from us. Question number 2. What is the universe made up of? Answer. The universe is made up of all existing matter and space. It expanded during the Big Bang about 14 billion years ago. Question number 3. What is the difference between a galaxy and a constellation? Answer. A galaxy is a large group of stars and associated matters that are found throughout the universe. The certain patterns made by stars which look like mythological figures are known as constellations. Question number 4. Name the planets in order of their distance from the sun. Answer. The name of the planets in order of their distance from the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Question number 5. Who was the first to suggest that the earth moved around the sun? Answer. Nicolaus Copernicus was the first to suggest that the earth moved around the sun. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Our solar system belongs to a galaxy called Milky Way or Akashganga. 2. Between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter lies asteroids. Number 3. Ceres, Eris, Pluto, Makemake and Haumea are examples of dwarf planets in our solar system. Number 4. The fifth largest planet of the solar system is Earth. Number 5. The period during which the moon grows is waxing. Choose the correct option. Number 1. The only planet in the solar system known to support life. Options are Mars, Earth, Venus. Answer is Earth. Question number 2. The only celestial body where humans have successfully reached. Options are Mercury, Moon, Mars. Answer is Moon. Question number 3. The largest mountain in the solar system, which is an extinct volcano. Options are Ganymede, Halley, Olympus Mons. Answer is Olympus Mons. Question number 4. The largest crater on the moon is, options are Aitken Vessin, Abel, Vavi. Answer is Aitken Vessin. Answer the following questions in detail. Question number 1. Why is only one side of the moon visible from the earth? Answer. The moon completes an orbit around the earth in 27 days and 8 hours. It takes the same time to rotate on its own axis. That is the reason why we always see the same side of the moon. Question number 2. Explain the main features of a planet. Answer. The main features of a planet are, number 1, it must be a celestial body orbiting around the sun. Number 2, it must have enough weight for its self-gravity. Number 3, it must have a nearly round shape. Number 4, it must have cleared the neighborhood around its orbit. And the last question of this chapter is, why is the Earth a unique planet? Give 2 important reasons. Answer. The Earth is a unique planet because it is the only planet in the solar system where human beings and large varieties of other species exist. The 2 important reasons are, number 1, its distance from the sun is perfect for maintaining a suitable temperature and condition for life to exist. And number 2, it is surrounded by a layer of air composed of life supporting gases called the atmosphere. So with this, we came to the end of the question answer of this chapter. That's all. Thank you.